What's the average email marketing ROI? According to a 2019 study by DMA, email marketing's return on investment is 42 to 1 on average. Statistically, if you invest $1 in your email marketing activities, you'll get $42 in return. Of course, this is not a fixed number, it's an average. The return on investment of your company will depend on various factors. For example, the size and quality of your email list, content relevance, the design and copy of the emails, and the call to action. Is it clear and persuasive? One of the biggest advantages of email marketing is that you can track performance and present data to prove the ROI. This is especially important if you don't have extensive marketing budgets and every decision you make needs to be data-driven. How to measure email marketing ROI. Usually, it's easy to calculate the return on investment in your email marketing activities. All you need to do is track total revenue and then divide it by the total spend. Here's an example. Let's say you've generated $100 in sales and invested $30 in the email marketing campaign. You'll measure your campaign ROI as follows. Total revenue, $100 minus $30 equals $70. Total spend, $30. ROI, $70 divided by $30 times 100 equals 233%. That's a simple way to prove your success and get more budget for future campaigns. Naturally, this equation will become more complex if you include other costs, like your staff's time or the cost of producing the goods you're selling. If you feel you're ready to start running effective email programs to build and segment high-quality lists, design high-converting email templates, continuously test and optimize your campaigns, I've got good news for you. You can do all of this inside of one single tool, and it's completely free, no credit card required. If any of that sounds interesting to you, just sign up for a free trial of GetResponse and start making some real results.